Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Python is quite a popular language nowadays, and C has also been popular for quite some long time now. Let's compare whether where do these both programming languages stand today for different types of applications. So first of all, C is a structured and procedural structured, procedural, and you may say functional programming language, right? While the Python is object oriented, it's an object oriented programming language, right? However, C's extended version C++ is also object oriented programming language, right? One major difference in both these programming languages how the memory can be accessed. The C provides pointers, basically pointers to access memory, pointers to access memory. However, in Python there are no pointers, so direct memory access in Python may not be easy or possible even. Similarly, the memory management is done manually in C language. So we have manual memory management in C. However, in Python, uh, automatic memory management is possible. Using garbage collector. Yes, by garbage collector, right? And then another important difference between the two languages, how the programs are run. C is a compiled programming language. So you write a program and then you build a binary and then you run it from the command line. However, in in Python, it is an interpreted language, right? The programs are interpreted as they are run. So as this is a compiled language and the binary is already built, so this is relatively fast. C programming language is programs are fast to run. However, the Python programming language programs are relatively slower as when we compare them to the C programs. Uh, Moreover, in C, different types of variables they need to be declared before they can be used. Variables need declaration. However, in Python, variables need not be first declared before they can be used. So declaration is not necessary, right? Then in C, we can only have basic data types. For example, integer, floats, or character types. While in Python, we have many data types and uh, different types of data types over there. Many data types. For example, we have a data type named cell, then dictionary, and so many other data types are available. Built-in data types are available in Python. Although these can be built in C also, but for each program, you have to build the data types yourselves. But in Python, these data structures are already available. Then another important difference is there are fewer functions, built-in function in C. However, there are many built-in functions in Python, right, which add to its richness. Similarly, if we talk about libraries, so many libraries are available for C, but usually for lower level tasks, uh, many libraries are available, right, to perform widespread tasks, to perform widespread task array of tasks, right? And similarly, in Python also there is a huge collection of libraries that can be used to perform different types of tasks. So what's the difference then? Main difference then? So so C is basically used for systems programming, for development of systems programs, compilers, or operating systems, right? So for systems, compilers, operating systems, right? So C is used for these purposes, okay? And Python on the other hand is used for higher layer programs, higher level programs, or application programs mostly, right? So for example, the C compiler itself is nowadays is developed in C. C is written in C itself using a C compiler. The very first compiler of C was written using assembly language, but once we have a compiler of C available, the newer compilers are improved or written using the available compilers. And Python is also written in C. Python programming language, its interpreter, its other libraries is they are written in C. They are also written in C, right? So C is suitable for systems level tasks, writing compilers, interpreters, and things like this. So basically, C can be used to develop all types of programs from the physical layer to network layer and then to application layer. Uh, but some of these programs are easier to write in C. For example, the lower level programs, but the application layer program, though they can be written in C, but it will take more time to develop them in C rather than in Python. So C is for all types of programs from you may say physical to application layer, and Python is mostly suited for higher layer, application layer, right? So notably, huge collection of libraries are available in Python, for example, for AI, machine learning, data science. So Python is better suited for the development of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science related applications, and other higher layer and application layer programs. While C is suited for physical layer, for example, embedded systems development, uh, lower level applications where you need to access memory directly, and similar things. For example, compilers and operating systems. For these things, C is suitable. Thank you.